Hello everyone, I'm John and this is Just the Gearhead. And this is actually just a really quick thank you video. Thanks goes out to Marty and Moog from Marty Car Mods. I sent them a package about a month ago, and today they opened it on their Unicorn Circuit videos. I saw the video this morning. I didn't get a chance to watch it actually, I just saw the little thumbnail for it. And then by the time I got home, my subscribers had jumped by about 45, and I know that doesn't sound like a lot to some people, but to me that's kind of a big deal. So thank you very much, Marty and Moog, for doing that. And as answer your questions, if you guys come out to Western Canada, I'll gladly show you around, and I got a few places that are really cool I could show you. The Rocky Mountains are only like a couple hours drive from my house. And if we go into British Columbia, my dad lives in the Okanagan Valley. That is a beautiful place to check out. So yes, come on out. I'll definitely show you around. I think the best time of year is to come probably July, August, because that's our summer months. And it'll be nice and warm. It gets hot, but it probably doesn't get as hot as it does down there. If you want to see the fall colors, come like late September. Because then we can go out BC, up in the mountains, there's lots of yellows and reds and some purples in the trees. Really cool. If you like skiing, come in the winter, but I will warn you, it gets to like -40 here at times, Celsius. So anyways, thank you very much, and thank you again, and we'll see you next time.